By the end of this video, you will have all the information by which you can make $10,000 a month only with selling websites to local businesses. These strategies are not proven only by me, but a lot of freelancers and agency owners. And at the end of video, I'm going to tell you the new strategies which no one tells you. What most people say, for creating a business, you will have to learn coding and a lot of stuff. But what I say, if you are having a business mindset, you don't have to learn coding for running a website development agency. If you are just starting, this is how you can sell a basic website to local businesses just for charging $200 to $300 each of them. So I won't say selling website is dead, but the old way of selling website is definitely going to be hard. That's why in this video I'm going to tell you some new methods of selling website. I'm not going to sell a $2,000 or $3,000 for a single client, but selling them a website of 200 to 300 every single month so that you can have revenue every single month. On the other hand, you don't have to do that much work in building those websites. Less than 30 minutes, you can build these websites. In this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can find website leads, how you can easily make these websites. I'm going to share you how you can upsell the business on other features so that you can make more money. You just have to install WordPress to your PC. Also install XAMPP and set up it to your PC. Now just extract WordPress files and copy and paste to the XAMPP folder. Then you go to your localhost and simply type localhost/WordPress. There you will find a lot of templates and make a website for your client just by hosting them to your subdomains. Just select the niche you want to create a website in e-commerce, portfolio, and anything you want to create a website. Just you will have hundreds of templates of that single domain. Now the main problem is how to find clients. First, you can go to Google Maps, search for a business in particular area. There you will find all the businesses on Google Maps that are registered. Search for those businesses which are having no websites. There is a tool called Phantom Buster by which you can simply log into it, go to its solutions, go to the Google Maps. Now just copy the link and paste it there. Then you can simply pick what data you want, like email address, phone numbers, and click save. Then it will create a list for you. We just have to download that list to Google spreadsheet and import the CSV file. Now you will have all the data of those businesses and you can pitch those WordPress websites to them. And if you are successful to converting 30 leads a month, means single lead a day, from those 400 to 500 leads, you can have easily $10,000 in your account. Now I'm going to tell you about how you can make $10,000 to $15,000 from LinkedIn. There are 2 to 3 strategies. Go to your LinkedIn profile and search for niche you want to talk, you want to work about. Like I'm searching for coaches, then just go to the services and apply location for United States, United Kingdom. Now go to all filters and select the service you want to pitch and click on show result. Now you will have only premium leads. While you will pitch them, there are so many high chances to get converted. This is my template I use to message for these type of businesses. Hello, is your business currently open? I attempted to locate your websites to check out reviews by searching this business needs in this location and couldn't find any information. On another note, I have created a website for you. Would it be acceptable if I share a link with you so you can have a look there? Let me know if you are interested. So no one going to refuse to use this proposal. Alternatively, you can focus on specific skills like front-end development. Just go to the search section, enter your expertise and apply the latest filter along with a 24 hours time limit. This will help you quickly find the post from the people currently looking for developers in that field. The final strategy I'm going to share is a unique opportunity with a very little competition and potential for high paying clients. Simply go to Discord and explore channels that focus on freelance work. In these channels, clients are often looking for specialized services and willing to pay, sometimes up to $10,000 for a single project. It's a less crowded market, so your chances to landing gigs are significantly higher. To get started, check out the list of channels I'm currently using, which I have included in the description below. This could be the gateway to some of the most rewarding freelance opportunities to you. So this is how you can make $10,000 a month. If you want such type of videos more, then just Subscribe to the channel RC Codex.